We fucked up bad, so we're using a second motor. Yeah, we did a little mess up. V1 is a failure, so we're moving on to V2. We learned nothing. Now we're gonna switch out the carburetor
and gas tank.
And gas tank, because that one's does not work. This one, however, well, I mean, it's being scrapped now. Look at that sexy carb.
It feels so baked right now.
Yeah, well, one of your lines is disconnected.
Oh, that's probably what wasn't starting.
Whoa! I got squirted on by gasoline. This project ain't called the jank for nothing.
Every and all methods done to make this project finish are not OSHA approved. You know what they say? Safety third.
Who the fuck are you? That's right, get out of here. They're everywhere. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. My beloved. Super glue. Come on, man. We've come so far.
One more pull cord is.
Where?
Off of this.
Yes. Ah!